very good about what its studies is very good, and they are providing good hostel and material for studies. And about the people around us are very kind, and they are supporting us. And actually we don't know the language, and for that also we are studying the language from here. And it's very good experience for me for being here. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Simran Khatana here. I'm from Haryana and I'm studying here in Poltava, Ukraine. The university is UMSA, Ukrainian Medical Stomatological Academy, and the university is also providing us the hostel, and it is renovated, it is well maintained, and we are having a good facility from the hostel as well as from the university. And the staff is also very good, cooperative, and they teach us very well. And
Thank you.
if we have any doubt, they clarify the doubts with ease and with good things, lectures, and yeah, everything is just perfect here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Devani here. I'm coming from Haridwar to Ukraine, and this university is Ukraine Poltava Medical University. It's a good university, and our faculty provide all facilities like food and something, or furniture, सब like books वगैरह, and सब all things are provided. Our faculty.
Hello guys, my name is Gurpreet Singh. I am from Punjab. I am first year student in Poltava State Medical University. Everything is perfect here. That our teachers, students, and our local Ukrainians are very cooperative, and they are very helpful. I am in there. Everything is perfect. That there in first year there is a lot of that our practical classes, and the teachers are also very cooperative, and there is good facilities in hostel, and there is all type of food stuff are also available there in Poltava. So here there is a university Poltava, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Fahim. I'm from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. I'm studying in Poltava Stomatological Academy, and this university is one of the top university in Ukraine, and from the faculty of here are very cooperative, and the atmosphere is very good, and we have been here since 2 months, and it is very good experience we are going through. And here the materials and whatever we are experiencing here is very good. And when we come to about the studies, in each group we have 10 people and 10 students. For 10 students, each lecture, for one lecture will be allotted. And when we come to anatomy section, the anatomy is very good, and the cadavers are there, and the laboratories, and whichever we go to, and everything, and we have the separate canteen inside the university, and we have opposite to the university we have everything, and we can buy anything from here. We have market ops and ATG, everything. And I personally suggest to the students who want to come to Ukraine for abroad studies, my personal suggestion is come to Poltava and UMSA University. It's a very leading university. Thank you.
Privet, my name is Govind. I study in the UMSA from the 2 semesters I'm studying here. The teachers are here is really good. They tell us the proc questions, USMLE questions, and then they discuss it. The study material is very nice here. The teachers are cooperative, and the MCQs and the learning is fabulous actually. But also the teachers speaking English here, that's a very good advantage towards the students who are coming here and studying abroad, because the language here is totally Russian and Ukrainian. But the faculty understands English and try to tell us how to do the questions for CROC and USMLE as well. But also the teachers do provide some DPPs or tests like that, so that we can improve our strategy and enhance our abilities to do works and MCQs. And also the teachers are good, the faculties is good, and the atmosphere is very nice as compared to any other city. It's quite cold and hot at the same time, so it's very nice to be here. I feel like
Hi, my name is Adil, and now we are standing at the Poltava Medical and Stomatological University. I have been here for the past 2 to 3 months. I have been experiencing whatever the people are here, like my group mates or like the people who are faculties working here. They're very cooperative in the nature that they help understand us, our situations. They help to enhance our abilities of working with the projects and also giving us notes and lectures. If you want to talk about some particular departments, like first year, you have like 4 major subjects, and they're like well secluded in different areas. They have their own specialized characters. Like in the anatomy department, they have an entire floor allotted to them, where you have like particular section for like bones, particular section for like cadavers, for the experimentation of like certain organs. You know, like whatever you want, you will mostly get over here. And next, like they have separate sections for like histology, where you like get to see about the slides or like a particular function of particular organ, a cell, anything you want to see can be experienced over here. It's not like they limit you by anything, they just enhance whatever functions you can already do.
My name is Ravikant Joshi. I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan. I am currently studying at Poltava State Medical University in Ukraine. This university is very good here. Like if we talk about some department, like if we talk about anatomy, in our anatomy we are getting like real organs. We are having real organs. Like we have also seen cadaver here. If we speak about histology, we are seeing many specimens which are provided. We have electron microscope. Everything is good here. We have good hostels also here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shubham Janga. I am from Himachal Pradesh. I am studying in the Ukraine. My stream is MBBS Medicine first year. The Poltava University is the best university in the Ukraine, and the teachers are very well. They have helped in studying very much. Also, hostel facilities are very good. All rooms are renovated very well. Thank you.
माय नेम इज़ मोहसिन रजा. आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार, इंडिया. यहाँ की यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत अच्छी है और यहाँ की पढ़ाई और हॉस्टल और केयर भी बहुत ज़्यादा किया जाता है यहाँ. और यहाँ के सब फैकल्टी बहुत अच्छे हैं. एनाटॉमी हो गया, इसके बाद एम्ब्रायडरी और हिस्टोलॉजी सबकी फैकल्टी अच्छी हैं. और यहाँ की पढ़ाई में कोई कमी नहीं है. और यहाँ पे कैटेगरी भी है और कैटेगरी डायसेक्शन भी किया जाता है. हर एक चीज़ उपलब्ध है. और यहाँ का साइड में मार्केट भी है जो इतना डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं होता है, इतना दूरी भी नहीं, डिस्टेंस भी नहीं है. अतः है बगल में साइड में मार्केटिंग भी है, जो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. बेस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज उनसा इज ए बेस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज इन द Poltava. Thank you.
Teach very well, and they teach and they distribute, and like the spelling of the teacher about the lectures and are very good. You will not feel anything, not feel like difficult into after coming here. And faculty of this college is very good, very cooperative, and they support every student. And whenever they come into the new university, they teach very well about the taught very well. And the student will feel very nice here after coming here, and the MBBS degree also very nice here. The medicine about all things are good here.
Want to become a specialist doctor? Meet our doctor or WhatsApp to Dr. J.S. Kalo for Best Government Medical University Abroad. Co-founder of MD Genius Multi-Speciality Hospital and MyoMD Education Group. MyoMD Education Group is the official and exclusively representative of Poltava State Medical University. Get a full team of our doctors throughout your MBBS journey. Guidance for MCI, NEXT, PG residency program in Germany during your MBBS. Get USMLE exam guidance only by qualified doctors team. Dear future doctors, get everything under one roof. throughout your full MBBS and MD/MS journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.